A dilation is a reduction or an enlargement of a figure with respect to a fixed point called the center of dilation. A dilation is an example of a non-rigid motion in that it does not preserve congruency. Okay, so it becomes bigger or smaller, therefore it's not the same when you're talking translations and rotations and reflections. The shape looks the same, it's just in a different position. This is not. Okay? A dilation produces similar figures. All corresponding angles are congruent and all corresponding sides are proportional. The scale factor indicates how much the figure will enlarge or reduce. The variable for the scale factor is K. When K is larger than 1, it is an enlargement. That should make sense. If I multiply it by a number bigger than 1, it's going to get bigger. If I multiply by a number smaller than 1, it's going to get smaller. Obviously, K will always be positive. It will never be negative. The dilation rule says if P that is at XY is the pre-image of a point, then its image after a dilation, centered at the origin, with a scale factor of K will follow the rule. So if I have a point at XY, whenever you have a dilation, it becomes K times X and K times Y, in which K is your factor of dilation. Does that make sense? So, look at example 1. Triangle RST with vertices R at negative 5, 1. S is at negative 3, 4. And T is at 2, negative 1. Okay, if K equals 2, then I'm going to take all of the points, the ordered pairs, and multiply the values in them by 2. So the point R becomes the point negative 10, 2.
Do we have to show that on the graph?
Yes. We're going to graph it and write the ordered pairs both, so that you can do either one. S becomes what? Negative 6, 8. And T becomes 4, negative 2.
So, like, when we're multiplying the negatives, they don't become positive if we, like...
Correct. Number 4, triangle with vertices W at negative 4, 8.
Oh, wait, I remember doing this before. Is it, you go...
Triangle at point X at 10, 0. Point Y at negative 2, negative 8. Sorry, my lines are not even close to being straight, but that's okay.
So
Okay, if K is 1/4,
you reduce.
so W becomes,
So you go down. Down 4 overall.
no. No.
Is it rising? You have to multiply. See, I was right. You go backwards. I said that.
You never said it.
-4, 8 becomes what point?
-1, 2.
-1, 2. So that's W prime. 10, 0 becomes,
Or the fraction.
you can use a decimal if you want, or a fraction.
Is it like
What's 10 divided by 4?
2.5?
Oh,
Yes, 2.5. So you can either write this as 2.5 comma 0, or you can write it as 5 halves 0. Because 10 divided by 4 reduces to 5/2. Why am I doing divided by 4?
That's a great question.
Because I'm multiplying by 1/4, because I'm multiplying by K. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Yes? Okay.
Yes.
And then -2, -8 for Y becomes
Oh.
-1/2, -2, and if you write it as a decimal, -0.5, -2.
I know this might be a dumb question, but are we gonna have our calculator on this?
I don't know.
No.
Please.
No.
I'm like, these are really simple.
No, they're not.
That's to be quiet.
I don't even know my negatives. Come on, girl.
Tessa, can you please play dumb for like 10 seconds?
All right, number 11. A prime is -10, -8, and it is the image of A after a dilation centered at the origin with a scale factor of 2. What are the coordinates of A? Now think about it, because I didn't give you A, I gave you A prime. If to go from A to A prime, you multiply, then going backwards, we're gonna divide. -5,
I'm a genius.
-4. You have to read the problem and pay attention so you know which one it's asking for, okay? So don't just go into autopilot mode like some of y'all do on quizzes and tests, because you're gonna miss the easy stuff, okay? So number 12, P prime -2.5 is the image of P after a dilation centered at the origin with a scale factor of 1/3. What are the coordinates of P prime?
-6. 15. Wait, what? Oh.
Okay, number 15. Identify the scale factor.
Oh, like what it's being
That's
times
what I
to,
did, and then you
whatever.
just-
So, if it helps, E is the point 20. E prime is the point.
Wait, I thought it's flip.
Oh, wait, sorry. I couldn't see the prime. I looked at the wrong one.
So.
E is 60. E prime is 20. I couldn't see the prime. Okay, can you please stop? Thank you. Is that okay? Yes?
Yes. Think I
What did I multiply through to get from one point to the other?
3.
No.
1/3.
K is 1/3.
We're a little silly. Wait, how?
If it helps, you can do this divided by this.
Oh,
Reduce that number.
1/3.
Okay?